Okay, in the last class, we were discussing on Scratch. We have seen that there were 8 blocks in Scratch that were motion, control, looks, sensing, sound, operator, pen, and variable. So, one by one, we will be discussing. Previously, we had discussed on motion, control, looks, and today we'll be discussing on pen. Okay, in the motion we have seen that the block which was used to control motion of sprite in every perspective. That means what? It was used for moving your sprite, turning your sprite. So here I have shown you the steps how to move the scratch on your screen. In the last class we had made the scratch move from one place to another, and also we had got the background color in our animation, isn't it? Next we had used the looks also. In the looks block, what is the purpose? The purpose of the block is to change the look, that is the costume of the sprite, isn't it? So if you remember, to move the scratch we had the costumes. That means we had used two costumes. The one was costume was the leg was towards the back pointing towards the back, whereas the in other looks the cat was leg was pointing towards the to ahead, isn't it? So what we can do with the looks, we can change the costume. We can also create some graphic effects, isn't it? And in the sound we can make the sprite to generate some sound. So the sound block is used to put the sound and adjust its timing, tempo and volume. Example, playing different sound, playing drums, and many more options are there. If you go through it, all the options one by one, you will see that there are various sound options which suits the best we used to apply it. Okay, next we are having the pen block. So today I'll be talking about the pen block. What is the purpose of the pen block? The sprite, that is the hero of your animation. So with the help of the scratch we will be able to draw any shots of images in our animation. So basically, if you see the pen block, we are having options such as clear, pen down, pen up, set pen color to, change pen color by, set pen color to. Okay, so we are having set pen color to. One is to get the color of the pen, and one more option the similar type is the set pen color to. That means you will be able to give the darkness or lightness with this help, with this set pen color to. That is the last one. Okay, we are having change pen shade by, change pen shade to, change pen size by, set pen size, and stamp. Okay, so today I will be discussing on the pen option of this block. So let us see how to do this. So we will be having a new project as new. I don't want to save it. Okay, so here you are having the scratch software. Okay, and I have taken the option pen. But to start this, the very first option which is required is to get the flag. That means when clicked. Okay, now here what I will do, first I will set size, set size. Okay, but before getting anything on your screen, it will be most appropriate if we get a clear option. That means you will clear the screen. Okay, then we'll be moving to the set pen color. So let us have the set pen color. Now the set pen color, you can get any color, you can get any color from here. So this is the pickle. So by this option you can pick any of the color. Suppose I will pick the color blue. Okay, now to draw, what you have to do, you have to get your pen down. Okay, so I will be getting my pen option down. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to draw a square or a rectangle. Now you have read in maths what is the degree of the square. So if you see all the 4 points corner, you are having a 90 degree. So how many times I have to draw the 90 degree? I have to draw 4 times. So to draw 4 times, I have to move to the control option and I have to repeat this 4 times. To repeat the 4 times, what I will do, I will select the repeat block. Where is the repeat block? Here in the control block, control block. Okay, so what I will do, I will repeat how much? 4 times. So I will get this repeat block over here, and this base by default it has taken 10. I will be changing to 4. Now what you have to do 4 times, you have to move some steps. So I will go to motion block once again and I will move, say it is given 10 steps, I will be using suppose 100 steps. Okay, 100 steps. After moving 100 steps, I have to generate a 90 degree angle, because the next repeat statement again will move to 100 steps. So I will be moving 90 degree for each line. So I will be turning this degree into not in 15, I will be turning to 90 degree. Okay, then what I will do, first of all let us see what it is doing. So let us run this sprite. So this is the green flag. So green flag is to start the script. So whatever script we all have written in the script area, this will be executed only if when clicked. So I will be getting this flag clicked. Let us see what it is doing. It has drawn a what? A square. Now it has generated this square very fast. I want to make it slow. I want this cat to generate this square slowly. So what I will do, after moving each repeat statement, I will make this cat wait for 1 second, or you can even get it slow. So let us see when I have got this wait option 1 second, how it is performing. So it is drawing the square very slowly. Okay, now one more thing I want to do. What I want to do, I want this square to get some thickness. Okay, I want the thick line square. So what I will do, I will be again going to the pen option and I will change the size of the pen. Okay, so I will change the pen size. Suppose I have given the pen size as 8. Okay, now let us see once again. how it is performing. Yes, what you see, you are getting the thick line. Gradually again, if I increase this size by 10, again what you will see, you will be getting more thickness, isn't it? So we are getting more thickness. That means the triangle, the square which you have generated is becoming more thicker and thicker. Okay, now suppose once again I want to give some shade of the pen. Okay, you are having many options: change pen color, set pen color to, okay, change pen shade. Okay, let us see if we change this pen shade by 10, what it happens. Do you feel any changes? No. Let us suppose I am giving as 50 pen shade. Now you see over here, you are getting the different color form. So now it is clear that by the help of the shade you are able to get some different color of the same pattern, that is the blue color pattern. Okay, so this is clear, the change pen shape. Now I'm removing it. What I want to do, I want to make one more square. Okay, just to get some an attractive form. So what I will do, I will again change the set color, pen color. Now I will be making a red color. Okay, now before this, what I want to do, I will move 10 steps ahead. After generating the square, I will move 10 steps ahead, and what I will do, I will again get this job done again. So I have, what I have done, I have just copied the content, and what I will do, I will make this work done once again with different color. The same objective, wait for 1 second, move 100 steps and turn 90 degrees. Now if I add the same script by changing the pen color to different color, here is orange, or you say red color I have taken. So let us see what it is doing. Yes, once it has drawn a red color, just again what you see, you have got another box in a 3D form, you can say, isn't it? In a 3D form. Similarly, you can apply more thing over here. Once you have completed, what is our job? Our job is to what? Get the pen down. So you have to get the pen down once you have used this pen. So let us see what happens after performing all the scripts. Yes, now what I want, I don't want this cat to be visible on the screen after drawing. Now if you try to draw once again, okay, if you try to draw once again the same thing, once it has got pen down, you will see that nothing will be drawn on your screen. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to remove this sprite from the screen, and this job I have left for you to do, to remove the sprite from your screen. You check from which option you will find to remove the sprite, that is the cat, from the screen. Okay, now one more thing, what you do is, if you go to your book, I hope you all have got the book. now because it was available in the school. So if you have got the book, you try to do the hands on, which is given on page number 34 and 35. Okay, if you go through this hands on, you will learn more about the pen options. Okay, so you are able to animate yourself only if you practice a lot. So there are hands on given in your book. Go through that hands on and try to generate some designs by using the Scratch software. Okay, and if you complete it, or if you are not able to do, again I will discuss the same with the options provided in the Scratch. Okay, but if you are trying, you will be learning more on animations, because only if you do experiment, then only you are able to learn something. Okay, so in the next class I'll be coming with more on Scratch. Okay, I'll be coming more on Scratch. So thank you for watching.